Is that going?
If the numbers are counting down or counting.
There's another one too that I took at a town.
4 minutes.
You can actually see the whole town from the side.
It's going up. It's counting down. The numbers are going.
Oh yeah.
Does that mean it's going?
I don't know what it means.
Going down the funicular.
Well, we might.
Someday today.
If we live long enough.
Missy. Meeah.
That was from the other town that ran to the first one.
Now, a few words for the future generation.
Church on the inside.
Oh yeah, that's the last day of the world.
Oh yes.
Next tomorrow.
Yeah, that's what it was.
Tomorrow.
It's okay in Australia.
Who left hand?
Down we go.
What is that jump start?
This is my last words. I love you.
No, don't.
Here comes a really tricky bit. We're going to go left to right, left to right, left to right. Just as well.
Oh, here's the people going by. Yay! Down we go. Where is she?
I'm gonna pull the brake.
She's going to put the brake on. Put the brake on, Meeah. Good on you.
Put the brake on me.
Quick, quick, Meeah. Stop it. Stop it.
Само начало было не очень-то смешно. Не, мне не было